Kaya sthairyam or body stillness is a traditional meditation practice that works on the idea that stillness in the body results in stillness of the mind. By practicing Kaya sthairyam, you can bring your mind to a state of stillness and one-pointedness, which can improve mental clarity, reduce stress and anxiety, and facilitate spiritual growth. If you are new to meditation and are looking for a practice to get started with, this meditation course on Kaya sthairyam is perfect choice. This course includes 21 sessions, following the idea that when we practice something for 21 days, it becomes easy to make it a habit. Each session includes a theory component and a practice component to help you integrate Kaya sthairyam into your daily life. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced meditator, Kaya sthairyam is a powerful and transformative practice that can benefit anyone. Join us on this journey to improve your focus and live a more focused, balanced, and aware life. Namaste. My name is Sandeep, and I am honored to be able to share with you my experience in meditation. I have had the privilege of learning under various traditional monasteries across different schools of thought and have also obtained many national and international certificates, including a master's in yoga and meditation. Now, with Nivritti, I'm trying to adapt what I have learned to modern needs and share it with the hope that it may bring joy and benefits to others. I will be your guide in this course. Throughout the course, I will be available to answer all your questions. I'll meet you on day 1. Namaste.